Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the essentials, your Steam account name and the email or phone linked to it. Once done, check you can receive messages at that contact, because Steam sends recovery codes there. If you use the Steam mobile authenticator, make sure it's on the same device. Otherwise, prepare backup codes. These steps matter because Steam needs proof you own the account. Act now so verification later is fast and uninterrupted. You go to Steam's login screen and choose Forgot My Password. Then pick your recovery method, email, phone, or mobile authenticator. Once you request a code, monitor that inbox or SMS and enter the code exactly. This prevents lockouts from mistyped digits. After verification, create a strong new password that mixes letters, numbers, and symbols. Make it unique to Steam. Also, update your recovery options now so future resets are quicker and more. You finish by logging in on a trusted device to confirm the new password works. Then enable Steam Guard immediately to add a second layer of protection. Make sure to record backup codes in a secure place, because they save time if your phone is lost. If something goes wrong, like no access to the linked email, contact Steam support and be ready to provide purchase receipts or account creation details. Those prove ownership and speed up recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.